Welcome back to Stuff About tutorial. Today we are talking about how to change country in Shopify store. Why would you want to know how to change country in Shopify store? Well, maybe it is your first time using Shopify and not sure how to change country in Shopify store. So today I am going to show you how to change country in Shopify store. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Changing country in Shopify store is quite simple and easy to do. First of all, open any browser. Now write admin.shopify.com in search bar. Now here in left corner, you are seeing different options. Click on settings in bottom left corner. Now at the top in store details, here you are seeing here you are seeing billing address. Click on edit. From here you can change your country and then press save. There you go. If you wanted to know how to change country in Shopify store, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.